How to set a status in Slack. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to set a status on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top right corner. Select it. Then here you can find your status. What's your status right here? Now to add, simply tap on it. Now here you can find the status just right here. You can also add from here. Tap on it. Now add something like this, and after that simply tap onto right button right here. And now you can see your status has been set. And that's it. This is how you can set a status in Slack. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.